So, financial transactions. Financial transactions means it is an exchange of values between two parties in terms of money. So there is an exchange of values. Okay? The exchange of values should have a monetary amount. Okay? It has to have a value, a monetary value. Okay? So exchange of values means something is received and something is given of the same monetary value. Exchange means merong ibibigay at merong kang matatanggap. Okay? Receive, may matatanggap ka at dapat meron ka ring ibigay of the same monetary value. Yan ang financial transactions. Sa accounting, we will only record those transactions which has monetary value. Okay? So if this is our business, ito ang ating business. We are the first party because it says two parties. So our business will always be the first party. Okay, and the business will be dealing with another party, and for the sake of discussion, we will call this the second party. So there are two parties, our business and the party that we are dealing with. So it's a two-party thing. Okay, so there must be an exchange in value. Our business as well as the party, there must be an exchange in values as far as our business is concerned, because we will be doing the recording in our business. So we will record what we receive, and then we will record what we give to this party. So the recording will be done here. So the financial transactions will be recorded in our business. We will record what we receive, and we will record what we give to the other party. Okay? And this, the value of what we receive and the value that we gave, okay, should have an equal amount. Okay? In accounting, what we receive is we debit, and what we give is credit. Okay, remember that. This is our business, and we are doing the recording in our business. So if we have financial transactions, it means that we are dealing with a party. So we are going to record the financial transactions. So what we receive, or what is incoming to the business, we debit. And what we give or outgoing, we credit. Okay? Take note of that. It's very easy. Debit, receive, credit, give. Okay? Who are the second parties of the business on financial transactions? Sino-sino ba yung mga second parties? Okay, because we have said that for the sake of discussion, we will, there are the other party, we will call that the second party. Okay, so now we are going to define who are the second parties. Okay, if this is our business, the parties that we are dealing, that the business will be dealing with, are, first is the owner, of course, and next would be the financial institutions or banks, okay, and then the suppliers, vendors, or creditors. That's another set of group of parties that the business will be dealing with. And next, employees, landlords, and agencies. And then the business will also deal with customers. So we have identified the basic parties. Actually, in accounting, ang mga financial transactions would only deal with these five parties. Okay. Now, what are the financial transactions with owner? So sa owner, we are dealing in terms of investment. The owner will invest in the business. So owner invests in the business, and also the owner for some reason withdraw his investment. So kung nag-invest siya, okay, there is still a possibility that the owner will also withdraw the investment. So as far as financial transaction with the owner is concerned, it is the investment by the owner and the withdrawal of investment by the owner. Okay. And for the financial institutions, obviously, the business will borrow money from the bank. Okay, this is the financial transaction. So we will okay do learn how to do a journal entry in this transaction, the borrowing of money from bank. And then if we borrow money from bank, then of course we have to pay what we have borrowed. We have to pay the loan. Okay. So the two transactions with financial institutions or banks is we borrow money from bank and then we pay what we have borrowed. Okay. For suppliers, vendors, and creditors, we group this as one because we have the same, it has the same nature of financial transactions. So what we are doing, what is the financial transaction that we are dealing with? Suppliers, vendors, and creditors. We are buying in cash. We are buying from suppliers, vendors, and creditors in cash. And then we are also buying on account. When we say on account, it means a credit. Okay, we bought on account means we bought on credit. Okay, and of course, if we bought on account, we have to pay the account. Okay, so obviously there are three transactions with suppliers, vendors, and creditors: buying in cash, buy an account, and pay the account. Okay. For employees, landlords, and agencies, this is another group. Okay, and we are also buying in cash, record the account, meaning we receive certain benefits, but we have not paid, so we will record the account, meaning our obligation. Okay, and then we pay the account. Okay. I would like to emphasize that C and D have the same concept. Okay, have the same concept. The difference is that in C, most of the time, what we are buying is asset. Okay, we are buying supplies, uh, stocks. I mean, when I say stocks, merch inventory. We are buying equipment, furniture, fixtures. Okay, and we can also buy insurance. Okay, and for here on D, we are buying the services of the employees in terms of salaries. So we are buying their services. Okay, and most cases, if we are paying the salaries, the services has been completed. Okay, or we are buying utilities, but we have already gotten, I mean, availed of the utility service before paying that. So here, basically, the accounts that we are buying are more on expenses. And for C, the accounts that we are buying here is more of an asset. Okay, for customers, we are the business provides services to customer and the customer will pay in cash. So we provide the services. If we are in spa business, we provide spa services to our customer and customer will pay in cash. And there will also be situations that we will provide services but the customer will not pay as yet. It will be providing services on account. Okay, and that will be our receivable from customer. Okay, and then we will collect from the customers a collection of account. So basically these are the financial transactions. Okay,